This is my oldest Japanese maple. This tree is around 25 years old. It's not the oldest bonsai that I have, maybe the second oldest. I did some mistakes here when I was training it initially. You can see some scars from the initial wiring. Now I'm paying more attention when I wire my trees, my projects. I stay on top of it to make sure that the wire does not bite the trunk or the branches. I think that this tree is overdue for a repotting. I think that I should have done this like 2 years ago or maybe last year. I don't remember the last time that I repotted it, but I'm starting to see the roots coming out of the drainage holes, and this is a sign that the repotting is due. So let's do this. It has been raining here like crazy for the last week or so. Everything is soaked. I would rather do this with the dirt a little more on the dry side, but I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do this for the next 2 weekends, and I really want to do this before the leaves start coming out, so it needs to be done today. This pot is round. It has a round side here, which makes the repotting process harder. It's easier if you choose a straight pot. So you can see that this is my usual mix, where I still have here some akadama. This is completely soaked. When I started doing bonsai, I was scared of pruning roots and touching the root ball. If you do this during early spring or during winter, the risk of killing the tree is very low. I'm going to keep all this old substrate. I'm going to use it in some other tree. Maybe I'm going to let it stay on the garden for a couple of months and add some organic matter. You can see here some rookie mistakes. Maybe I would do them again, but the trunk here, this trunk here shouldn't be here. The trunk should be, I'm sorry, the root here. The root should be as much radial as possible.
21. Não quero essas coisas prateadas.
When I do this, I try to remember to try to push some of the substrate below the root ball and avoid as many air pockets as possible.
Não é preciso, ela está demasiado grande para...
And this was it. The repotting of my largest Japanese maple in a bonsai pot. Now I just need to wait for the blackbirds to completely destroy the moss. Until the moss establishes itself, this is like playground for blackbirds. See you next weekend. Bye.
Disseste quantos anos tinha a árvore?
25, sim, eu disse.